Hey guys, so today I want to show you some stuff that I got from the website Shein. I don't know how to say this, but I'm sure you guys have all seen this. This is I guess this is stuff from China, I'm pretty sure. Like it always comes up as ads on like whenever you're like online, like shopping and like just like browsing online. And so yeah, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. So online, the model had like this little dip or whatever it is. It was kind of like more down here, but this is what it is. So I just probably have to wear it with higher pants because I don't feel comfortable like this, or I don't know, something. But anyways, this is the top. So it's actually pretty nice. Like the material doesn't look too bad at all. It was from China, and I'll let you guys know how much this was. So I definitely like this one. It's thick. I'm honestly sweating in this right now. But yeah, so this is definitely a keeper. So now this is the second item that I got. It's like a little long vest, I want to say. It kind of covers part of my booty. And yeah, so this I got kind of to like maybe for like church, or just, you know, like I guess like you could really kind of dress this up if you wanted to. I wouldn't wear it with this shirt or this sweater, but I just wanted to show you guys the idea of it. You see, like I could wear it open. I could really wear it with like a belt if I wanted to. So I don't know, it's different and it was cheap, so I was like, you know what the heck. But now this material right here is kind of itchy, if I'm honest. It's not very thick, so I honestly don't think it's gonna keep me warm, but I think it looks cute. And I feel that was like a really pretty simple like long sleeve, or I don't know, nice boots. So for the fall, this is definitely an item that I think I'll be wearing, and it's pretty cool because it also has handy dandy pockets, and they're actually pretty deep. See, it fits my whole hand, so I definitely like this one as well. All right, this is another top that I got from Shein, whatever it is. This is just like a cute little strap top. What is it? Spaghetti strap? I don't know. It's kind of loose, so I like that. This I would probably like wear tucking it in with sandals, or like just like low boots, something like that. But I do have to say, the clothes kind of smell a little bit. This is my second time ordering from them, Shein, whatever it is. And at first, like the clothes didn't really smell, but this time it has like a moist smell, you know, like when things get wet and they don't dry properly. So that's kind of like how I am smelling this. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm definitely gonna wash everything before I actually wear them. But anyways, another one, sorry, of the items that I got. Again, I don't know why I got like these like long vests. I don't know, like sleeveless things, but it looked so cute on the model. And honestly, this one's kind of disappointing in a way, because if you guys like, it's kind of baggy. Like, I don't know, it's weird. It feels like I'm wearing a bag, because look at how like, I don't know, I honestly don't know. It's cute in the front, and I would even really wear it with this top. Like I like this, or like, I'm not sure, but it is soft. The material is like almost like a velvet, but not really, like obviously not velvet, but like a cheap version of it. I don't know what that would be called, but I don't know, I guess as I wear it, I'm growing more into it. So anyways, this is it. Okay, so this is another one of the items that I got. Now I like the length of this, but I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. And it's honestly a little, you see how like it's tight when I lift my arms, like it's awkward. So I don't know, but just take a closer look to it. It's pretty, it's simple. I could wear it for like something like business casual or I don't know. But again, not loving it. I will most likely return it. But it is cute. This is a size small. I normally am like a smaller medium. But yeah, so I do like the length of it, but I don't love it. Okay, and lastly, this is a shirt that I got. I don't love the length here. If you guys can see, it's like honestly kind of short there in a way. It is soft and it is warm. Again, I liked it more on the model, and these are just like the cons of buying online, because you never know how it's actually gonna fit you. But honestly, I feel like I would probably keep this one just because like I can wear it's like almost again business casual, which I kind of gotta do for school sometimes. So I would most likely keep this, but this I give like a 7 out of 10 to be honest. But I do like it, and it's nice and it's soft, which is what I like the most about it. So yeah, that is it, guys. Final remarks. I want to say this came very, very fast. I don't think it took a week, which is very surprising because the last time, sorry, I got notifications, I got distracted. The last time that I ordered from them was like a year ago, and it took almost a month. Like I honestly forgot it was coming until I saw the package, and I was like, oh wow, like it took forever. But this time, honestly guys, it did not even take a whole week, which I'm very, very surprised. So I don't know if they have like warehouses here, or I don't know if I got lucky. I don't know what it is, but I was like, wow, that was fast. Yeah, so that was it. I don't think I'm gonna return stuff even though there's free returns, but I'm just gonna keep it, like whatever. I think it was so cheap. Alrighty, so I hope that you liked my unpacking from Shein. Let's just call it Shein because I don't know the name of it again. But yeah, that is it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and catch you next time on my next video. Our next video, because this is also Rachel's channel. We just don't live in the same city, so it's kind of hard for us to record, but we're working on it, guys. We promise. Love you guys. Bye.